take even photos first.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Irene. How do I look? Looking at it today. It's a Sunday afternoon. Yeah, I'm just chilling out here in the wilderness. I have a lot of I don't know if you can hear this water. I'm on the slopes of Mount Moroto. I decided to come and take a nature walk and yeah, just enjoy the environment. Let me take you guys around where my location is. Wow. It's just nice to chill. There's a tour. I just spend time. I don't know how you guys spending time during this lockdown. Boredom is real. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the slopes. I'll show you the landscape. So now let's enjoy this beautiful water flowing here. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're all subscribed, thank you for coming to watch this video. I hope you enjoy. And I think this is day 20. I still have more 22 days. Ow! I think I need a picture.
The sun hits you different from that side. First try to look the side where the sun is. I think I need to be that side where the sun is. Need to be, no, you just stay there. It's okay.
Wow.
Wow. The sun, I think it's nice to be where the sun hits you from.
My God, I'm gonna just start it through. I hope I don't fall into this running water, but I'm just enjoying this ambience. Oh.
I hope a Karamojonga will not come and grab you and run away with you.
Oh my goodness, is this the warrior?
They will murder you by force. It will be kindly by force. You girl, don't make me step into. Oh, this is beautiful. Karamoja Beach.
Yeah, this is the Karamoja Beach actually.
Oh, John, it's the road markings. I hope it's not an end zone, you girl. Hope there's no danger ahead. This tour should not end in a tragic way. I pray. Here it's dark, but beautiful. Here is beautiful.
But a good thing it's saving it, so I'll just add up the parts.
Okay.
This water is clean out. No one has already passed for it from there.
People washing their bodies from up, you're here.
Is this not the one reaching the other guy?
No, this is different. Hey, how do you find Karamoja for the short time you've been here?
Well, guys, I can tell you Karamoja has been a nice place. I've been here for 1 year now, and I think the place is not what you think. It's not all about naked people. It's not all about warriors.
Most people think that us Karamojongs we are usually like most people outside. What would you tell people who are outside Karamoja who believe that Karamojongs still move naked, they don't dress, and they're hostile? Being someone who has stayed here for a year, what would you tell them? If you would find someone maybe somewhere in Kampala and they ask you, how do you manage in Karamoja? I hear they're hostile, I hear they're still naked and all that. What would you tell that person?
I would tell them you have the wrong perception. Karamoja is a place of beautiful people, beautiful culture. Yeah, they are those that have met, that they say they move naked, but I haven't met them yet. It's full of beautiful people. They're a little hostile, yes, but it's part of their culture.
What do you mean by little hostile? What do you mean by little hostile?
I can see here, it feels like a snake skin.
Oh my God, don't say that because we're going to run away from here now.
I swear, but I think it's an old skin. I don't know.
That is a sack. That's not snake skin. What's your problem?
I wish I could get a stick somehow.
What if you pick a snake outside? That's a rag.
Oh, but it looks like.
Stop scaring people, you woman.
Oh, guys, tell me what you think about this beautiful place.
I'm still asking you.
You tell me what you're asking.
Now, back before you scared me with the snake skin. If someone or one of your followers on your YouTube channel ask you to take them on a trip to Karamoja, take them around Karamoja, they would love to have a view of this place. Are you sure you have places you can take them to?
Wow, yeah, there's lots of beautiful places. First, okay, that's when you go at your own risk, the hiking. Guys, you hike at your own risk. Just brace your legs.
No, it's for the feet. People who are fit.
So
But
guys that really, I don't know, they just love to hike and yeah. And also you can visit the tribe that live on the mountain.
Man is scared even. Let's first go and talk to them. Okay, pick. Ma'am. Epolo bana ko ukon. Just made a friend.
They're cool.
We are not hosting. We not hosting. Akirame raknom. Nya boloko na ita na ko ukonia. Nya boloka. Hito boloka kujuan. Ayo roba met. Rono na ita. Kuria na ga kipi. It's dark there. Better. Pusha. Ah, kwani kiro? Ege kiro na ngolola. Akujuga. That guy was born in this river. He's a river god. Raya akuja ngakipi ya kidauni anangolola. Iraba ya akuja ngakipi. He's a river god. He was born here in this water.
Oh wow.
The smallest river god. Akuja ngakipi. This is the zoos of this river because Karamoja has very many rivers.
Oh, this one.
This is where we're from. The sun. Take a peek. You jump. You're heavy, you can't even jump. You cannot jump. Oh my God, you cannot even jump. Okay, close off the ground. Nani mezai waita kwa hivi. That's the quarry. Yeah, it's not that the biggest. The biggest is the side of Rupa. People are making stones, breaking stones.